you will see there are 3 different tenures in which you could be a part of, and the first is 45 days, second is the 60 days, and third is the 90 days. So there are some of the common resources which everyone would have access to in all the 3 tenures, that is online tutorials, project examples, coding sessions, session recordings, online mentor support, online technical support, and obviously the certificate after completion of the program. And then we have a T-Bioinfo server. So you will have access to the demo pipelines of those T-Bioinfo server for the analysis part also. Now, what's the difference between the 3? In the 60 days tenure, you will have 2 different opportunities. One is the one-on-one mentor sessions. So for example, while going through with the session, you got stuck somewhere, you want to clarify your doubts and queries with the mentor, we can organize a one-on-one exploratory meet of yours with the mentor, and you can get your queries and questions clarified. And the second is, after your 45 days of training is over, the rest of the 15 days you will be devoting towards preparing a proper research proposal and experimental design. So how whatever you have learned, like a conceptual and theoretical basis, how you can apply it in a real life application. So definitely our mentor, that is Dr. Jeet Sakar, he would help you. He'll evaluate your research proposal. He'll see if there are any changes that need to be done. He'll guide you accordingly, and then you can move further by developing your independent research project also. So and in the 90 days, again, you have 2 opportunities. With one-on-one mentor sessions, you have an opportunity to work on an independent research project. So the first 45 days would be devoted to your training, and the next 45 days would be devoted to your development of an independent research project. So which includes the literature review, the data set finalization, the methodology, the results, interpretation of those results, and then the report writing in manuscript. So this is the major difference between the 3 tenures, 45, 60, and 90. Now, as you can see on my screen, that the pricing here is right now in INR, and it would be mostly for the Asian community, etc. So for 45 days, it is 7,500. For 60 days, it is 9,999, and then for 90 days, it's 14,999, 15,000. Now, those who are from different locations, and for example, those who are from US, they can simply click on this drop down menu and change their currency into USD, into dollars. If someone is from Brazil, they can change into Brazilian currency, and if someone is from Africa, they can change accordingly into Naira. So here are few of the currencies which we have mentioned, and according to your place, according to your location, you can change here from this drop down menu. For example, I have changed it into dollars right now. So the pricing for 45 days in dollars is $150, for 60 it's 300, and for 90 it's 450. And right now we are providing everyone with a 50% scholarship on, like, because of it's a offer for the Christmas or the New Year Eve. So if you can, I'll just show you how you can proceed further with the payment. You need to simply sign up on this Learn portal, and you can redirect towards this link. I guess Shubham has already shared the steps to register in the chat box, so you can copy paste somewhere in the notes and you can follow those steps. So you need to simply click here on Buy Now button. You will be redirected to this page, and the coupon code for the 50% is health 50. Click on apply. Coupon is applied successfully. You can see here the total was $150. After applying 50% coupon, the total amount is $75. You need to fill here your user details. Click on this checkbox and select the Stripe payment mode, and fill out your card details and click on this Buy Now button. So this is how you can simply proceed with the payment checkout. So the steps are really very easy.